I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
One of the worst parts about trying to deliver coffee to people is spilling it. You can't hand somebody a coffee and have like the coffee spilled all over the edge. So I made this little tray, I guess, and it's just on a pendulum.
So that you can walk up the stairs and not spill your coffee.
I don't like to let Junior know I'm impressed by anything he does. Do a little test. Climb over something with it.
Coffee,
It's still blowing me away how that didn't spill. It's actually fairly impressive. He even did like a 360 with it. Nice.
So she's done, brother.
Good. Whoa.